Luscombe Motors, pleased to offer to the market this brilliant example of the limited edition Swift Attitude. Now the Attitude gives you carbon effect trim across the front of the vehicle. You also get the diamond cut alloys for your close up there, and the carbon effect trim down the side of the vehicle. This is finished in pearlescent black, which looks great, especially with the rear spoiler and rear tinted privacy glass. The Swift has won What Car's Car of the Year for reliability 2021, so it's known for being an excellent vehicle. This particular vehicle was sold from new by ourselves and has been serviced here at Luscombe's by our factory trained technicians from new, meaning it's in excellent mechanical order. So is the bodywork, alloys, no marks, blemishes or scuffs throughout the vehicle, and it's done just over 12,000 miles from new. I'll give you a look inside the vehicle in just a moment. So like the exterior, interior is in great condition, as we can see there. I'll show you across the dash. Now here you'll also find the multimedia touchscreen. This will give you Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, as well as reversing camera, Bluetooth, so you can stream all your music, have your live maps for longer journeys. You also have integrated controls for the audio, and we'll take a look in the rear, which again, like the exterior and the front, it's in great condition, been very well looked after. So there we have it, that's our 69 plate Swift Attitude, full Luscombe Suzuki service history, limited edition model, great fuel efficiency, great reliability, and as always here at Luscombe's, it will come fully prepped, serviced and MOT'd for its new owner. Please feel free to get in touch, happily arrange a test drive or provide further information.